In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refine your image editing skills using Gimp, a powerful and free open source graphics editor. Whether you're new to Gimp or just brushing up on your skills, this guide will walk you through a simple yet effective technique for making specific parts of your image stand out by isolating them from the rest. So let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to open Gimp on your computer. If you haven't already downloaded it, make sure to do so, as it's a fantastic tool for both novice and experienced editors. Once you have Gimp launched and ready to go, open the image that you want to work with. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're new. There's a lot of functionality here, but don't worry, we'll be focusing on a single tool today. Now, locate the free Select tool in the toolbox. It's often represented by a lasso icon and allows you to manually select regions of your image. It's especially useful when you want to isolate irregularly shaped parts of the photo. Click on this tool, and with it selected, carefully outline the area of your image that you want to keep. This could be anything from a subject in the foreground to an interesting object or detail. As you click around to create points, a line will appear connecting these points, giving you a flexible way to adjust and outline your selected area. Make sure to close the loop by connecting the end of your selection with your starting point. If you make a mistake, don't worry too much. Gimp allows you to adjust those points by clicking and dragging them until you're satisfied with the selection. Once you have your area selected, you're ready for the next step. Head over to the top menu and click on Select, then choose Invert from the drop-down menu. This action flips your selection, highlighting everything outside of the area you initially chose. It's an effective way to be sure that the part you want to keep remains untouched while isolating it from the rest of your photo. Now simply press the Delete key on your keyboard. This will remove everything that was highlighted by your inverted selection, leaving behind the main focus that you initially outlined. You'll see a stark contrast between the isolated subject and the now transparent background, or it will reveal the default layer color if you have one set. And there you have it. With just a few steps, you've successfully and efficiently highlighted a part of your image using Gimp's free Select tool. It's a straightforward technique that can add much more depth and emphasis to your digital art projects. Feel free to experiment with different selections and background options to see what creative projects you can come up with. Thanks for watching and happy editing.